TD Bank versus Chase Bank. Today we are going to demonstrate the difference between TD Bank versus Chase Bank and which one is better for you. So in order to do that, I have this small table which will demonstrate the difference. So the first thing is TD Bank provide you network of branches while Chase Valiant provide you strong online presence. If we talk about the fees, TD Bank may have higher fees while Chase Valiant generally have competitive fees, which means it have lower fees as compared to TD Bank. If you talk about the customer service, the TD Bank has good customer services, while if you talk about the Chase Bank, it has positive reviews, but not the best. If you talk about the products, the TD Bank Pro offers variety of accounts, while if you talk about the Chase Valiant, it is emphasized for digital banking. If you talk about rewards, the TD Bank offers reward programs, and Chase Valiant also gives you, offers reward programs. This was the difference. Now, which one is better for you only depends upon on every individual. Which one is better for you? You decide that. So that's pretty much it. That's what it is. Hope you guys find this video helpful.